Would you like to play tennis on Saturday, John?
I'm a little busy on Saturday. What time?
In the morning. How about 10 o'clock?
Sorry, I'm not free in the morning. How about the afternoon, at about 4 o'clock?
Sorry, I'm afraid I can't play then.
That's a shame. Maybe another time.
Yes, sure.
Paula, we're going to a restaurant on Friday. Would you like to come with us?
Where are you going, Alex?
To the Italian restaurant on the high street.
I like that place. What time are you going there? After work? At 5:30?
No, that's too early to eat. We're going home first, and we're meeting at 7 o'clock.
That's not good for me. I don't live near work.
Well, do you want to come to my house after work? We can have a drink there.
Thanks, Alex. That sounds good.
Jeff, do you want to see Romeo and Juliet at the theatre next week?
Okay, I know you love that play.
Thanks, Jeff. Which day is best for you? Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday?
What time does it start?
7:30.
I can't go on Tuesday. I have to stay late that day. And I have football on Thursday.
Wednesday then?
Yes, that's fine.
Great.
A country band is playing at the Groove next week. Shall we go?
Which band is playing?
Sheep and Cows.
Oh, they are good. When are they playing?
They're playing on 2 nights, Thursday and Friday.
I can't go on Thursday. I have yoga, but I'm free on Friday.
Friday is good for me too.
What time do they start?
9 o'clock, but we can meet for drinks first.
Yes, let's do that. But let's not meet at the Groove. Let's go to the bar in the park.
Good idea. Shall we meet there at 8?
Yes, that'd be great.